Genuine Impact exists to help investors like yourself to become better at long-term investing. We provide you a variety of research tools so that you can use them and invest your money with confidence, ease, and a bit of fun. More and more people are going into stock market investing as well as ETFs, and at the same time they are expanding into other alternative and new emerging asset classes. However, not many people know how to invest with a long-term mindset. We lack access to high-quality research tools to help us become better investors. Here at Genuine Impact, we provide research tools in three main areas: discover exciting new investment ideas, decide on if a stock or ETF is a good investment or not, and monitor your portfolio growth and risks over the long term. We believe in more financial and investment education. This is why we are producing a variety of video clips for you to better understand how to use Genuine Impact app to help you become better at long-term investing. Simply check our profile here and you will find these clips ready waiting for you. Enjoy!